Meanwhile, more news. A big day for a Danville distillery.
Crews are installing a column still in Luca Mariano's. I think I did that right. She should be happy. New craft distillery.
Yeah, Chris Spadaccini is live there now to tell us about how this project helps the business get one step closer to becoming a must-stop along the Bourbon Trail. And actually, Mandy, I did it wrong just like you last hour. Luca Mariano's, Krista. Luca Mariano's. I got it right finally.
You got it. That was perfect. That was that was perfect. Luca Mariano. All right, we're here with Francesco again, the owner, founder of this distillery. Installing that 36-foot, 18-inch column still today is just one step in getting you closer to becoming a destination distillery. So where do you see this place going in the next forever, essentially?
So right now we have 553 acres on our farm. We grow our own corn, we grow our own wheat for our bourbon and our and what's going to happen in the next few couple years, we're going to be building 13 rick houses, a larger distillery beside the David Phillips Craft Distillery, and we're going to be building a two-city block village with first floor shops and restaurants, second floor, third and fourth will be boutique hotel, and then our offices will be intermingled within our village as well.
That's amazing. Big plans, and I'm sure the city of Danville is thrilled of these.
Yes, Danville's great. They've been really welcoming to us, the people, the government, everyone's been really wonderful to us, so it's been wonderful.
I was very happy they approved this. So we're thieving this bourbon barrel. Francesco taught me how to do it a minute ago. So
here, I'll hold this.
Okay, you hold it. Bringing this up. He said I could use two hands. Oh, I already messed it up.
There we go.
Okay. Perfect. Oh, I should probably stop that. I'm giving us a hefty pour.
That's okay.
All right.
Okay.
Did I do it right?
Yeah.
Keep going?
Yeah. Here we go. I'll help you down.
Okay. Oh yeah, we got to put it back in. I'm nervous. It's live TV. Okay, maybe, David, you could tell us a little bit about this bourbon.
Yes, so it's a barrel of our 8-year-old Luca Mariano single barrel bourbon. And looks like you did an excellent job there thieving it this morning. We're going to get our morning started perfect here.
Okay. There's something that you give me the biggest one, of course. There's something that you always say before we cheers, right?
Yeah, Cent'anni.
What does that mean?
It means to 100 years of good health. It's like saying salute or cheers in English. So.
All right.
Yeah, so.
What am I supposed to taste? What should I be tasting for?
Just excellence.
Excellent. Good answers.
Well, Cent'anni.
Oh, Cent'anni? Cent'anni. All right,
yeah.
Here we go. Excellence.
There you go.
Excellence. All right. Thank you guys so much. We have more exploring to do here at Luca Mariano Distillery in Danville. Oh my gosh, that's really going to wake you up in the morning. We'll send it back to you guys as well.